So, without JoJo smell.
Without what?
JoJo smell.
Yeah.
Why did they close the door?
I don't know.
When we have races?
Oh, when you have the races. What are they going to do? Race you down the hall?
Yeah. Maybe race me down the street.
Yeah.
It's going to be so different. Oh,
Alright, stop doing that.
I hope it doesn't go.
Don't get up, don't get up, just lay down.
Like somebody, like somebody sitting in the rain that long arms.
Scooby-Doo still looking in 3D?
Yeah. There are two times. He had 3 eyes. 2 Scoobies. 2 dinosaurs. And 2 of those evil. Ew, wow.
Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi, Grammy.
Hi, Grammy.
What grade are you going to be in next year?
3rd.
Yeah.
Let's do everything. Let's do everything. There's 2 of him.
When he blinks, he's got slow eyes coming up.
Daddy,
What, baby?
when I looked at that guy with the big poofy hair, he looked like a guy that, he looked like a guy who had his hair was, he looked like he had the big hair, dude.
Where are you going? Stay still. Stay laying down.
How do they call that Spider-Man?
Because it makes you feel like Spider-Man, doesn't it?
I don't know what Spider-Man feels like.
Now you do. Feels drunk.
You just start climbing up the walls. What's wrong?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Just trying to get it. Put your legs down.
Have fun and enjoy it. Like two of everything here.
Push it down.
I think I'm gonna run in.
Oh.
I bet I'm gonna run into him. It's so comfy.
It's so comfy.
What?
Is it comfortable?
No. Are the adult beds better?
I don't know.
Not from my gown. Whoa. Whoa. It's like two of everything. Can I see? I can't look.
You can't, but look, can you? That means it's working. Well, they're going to take you back soon. Say bye. Love you guys.
What did you say?
Say I love you guys.
Oh, yeah.